These look beautiful, Jason. Wow. I'd like to thank my mom for always supporting me and yeah. Nice. Lovely. Oh yeah, that's good. What? That much. Wait, these go in there? Okay. Did you know? Okay. Yeah, I was thinking. I mean, like the ratio. Oh, you just knocked over my work. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, that looks great.
It's gonna boil. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah.
Wait, what are we recording? I'm loving the setup.
I'm making some food videos.
Okay, Summer! Okay, she said mukbang.
How many walnuts do you want, Bona? 3? Okay. I'm gonna do 4 for myself. Jason, how many do you want? 5 for Summer. Air fry. Boom, baby. Is this the right texture, Bona?
Oh yeah, I think so.
It is? You think it's good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I think it's doing it. Okay. Wow, that was like 3 minutes. Woo! No, but the mayo's not tall enough.
The mayo's been preached.
It has been breached. ball of mayo. You gotta go big or go home. Lovely morning, Tish. Ooh, okay, there's still a little egg yolk. This looks delicious. No, I just wanted to try it by itself. Sprinkle of salt. Yeah, my favorite pizza was always like, was it like bell pepper, bacon, and I think onion actually.
Red onion, yeah.
Yeah. Getting terrible.
Oh, that's so cute.
So excited.
I have to put the honey on it.
Oh yeah. Look, my leaf. Okay. Leaf returns from whence it came. A little burnt, but just figuring out my air fryer. Oh yes.
This salmon is such a good deal.
Talking to you. Okay, I'm trying to make miyogook with tuna. I was looking at a few different recipes and it seems like everybody kind of does it differently. Do you have a preference for like, I just put some sesame oil in here and I like soaked some seaweed. Would you like stir fry it?
I would like lightly stir fry it and
Maybe.
then throw the tuna in
Okay.
and some water. But like after you stir fry the veal, because I don't like when the tuna gets all like flaky and like broken up. So I like to
Right.
put it later.
Gotcha. Okay.